Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be covering how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Just to further explain what this video is all about, if you have anything on your camera roll and you're possibly wanting to send it over as a snap, that's pretty much what the video is going to be all about. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat. So this is a very simple and easy to do method. So you'll see a little smiley face just beside the actual picture taken part on the right side. So you want to go ahead and click on that. So once you've clicked on that, you'll get a couple of filters, but that's not the sort of filter we're going to be looking for. On the bottom right, you'll see a magnifying glass. You want to go ahead and click on that. On the search bar, search up for green screen. So we'll go ahead and type that in now. So the one you want to choose is the one on the top left. So click on that. That's the one made by Snapchat. So as you can see, opens up all the different pictures that you want. That's all from the camera roll. You can add more as well if you want to. So I'm going to take a screenshot here. And here's a screenshot of Snapchat for the background where we started off. And there you go guys, that pretty much reaches the end of the video. All you need to do then is send it to whoever you want. So we'll do the AI as an example here. So we'll send it off to my AI. And if we go back, and we'll click off this, and then now we're going to go on to the chats and click my AI. As you can see, they've responded. That's an amazing screensaver, so it has worked. And of course you can try that lens as well. So it will come up as a Snapchat filter, but that's the only method that I know currently at the minute for how to send it off as high quality images. Now the other option as well is you can try to make it a sticker if you want to, but the quality of the image will turn out to be a little bit poor. So this at the minute is the best method. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully that was a helpful tutorial. If you did find it helpful, leave us a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.